Hey everybody, I just want to make a little video to show you how to look at the results from the lab reports that I give you and how to find everything. So I'm logged in here as my sample student, and so if you were to go into the lab reports simple detection, something smaller will appear in your gradebook, but this is your full feedback. So if you click on simple detection, and I just did this, so I sadly submitted it late, but just did it this morning. So if you submit it late, whatever the time you'll do, it'll tell you how much earlier you are or how much later you are. Then you go down here, and I just submitted the course calendar for that. So if you keep going down here, you'll see that I give comments back telling you what I'm looking for. So you just toggle that. And then the next thing is, in here, there's an example and also the actual answer key for this lab. And you'll always see the lab, and then here's an example that I give out the first time. So if you click on that, it'll open for you. And there we go. And so in this example, here's what you should have pasted. So here's an example when I did. And then I just gave a couple of answers here that show what I was really looking for in these questions and how much detail I'm looking for in each one, so that you know how to do these very well in the future. So number one, it's still, everything's PDF, so it's easy for me to grade. I'm looking for this up here because I always open the global beside it in my browser, and then I can see exactly what you're doing. And so your average response time is around this, and then my response time is similar, but I say exactly how. Here's the milliseconds of me versus that. Then I said referring to the individual data, answer your question, and then give some details. And then this one, it says, suppose another experiment had participants say the word now as soon. So what would you conclude? So you give a little bit of detail about exactly what it is. So this isn't just very simple answers. We're looking for detailed answers that look at the theory that you were learning about in terms of attention in this particular chapter. And beginning of in this particular thing. This goes with chapter 4 as well. And so I'm looking for detailed answers. So this is where to get your feedback. So let's go back over here. This is where to get your feedback, and then the answer key is here, and it answers the questions ideally. So hold on, when it opens, there you go. And this is from the book that is in there too. Some of this is in there, and I've copied it. It's in the feedback that you get, but I've copied it here. And then here's what the global data was when I did this. And then here's what the answers should be. So you're going to get this answer key on every single one. It'll be down here. It'll be down here at the bottom under feedback. I'll have some explanation, and then I'll also have the sample key, or the answer key, for each lab will be right here. All right, so I hope that helps you know what I'm expecting and know where to find the feedback.